We are a company located in Suzhou, China, offering spindle services in cooperation with Pro-Spindles in Germany. We are able to repair, develop, and redesign spindles for all applications in CNC machinery. Our vision and mission express our dedication to our customers to deliver high precision in German quality. We have more than 20 years experience and 50 main customers satisfied. With our partnership with German and Italian spindle builders with a network in 8 countries worldwide. We are ISO 9001 certified. Our core values show the dedication to our customer with respect to collaboration and innovation. We offer you a professional spindle repair. Through our spare part sales, you are able to purchase key spare parts for spindles, which you can easily assemble. We are experts, and with our training, you will be able to maintain the spindle in a higher performance level. With our on-site support, we are side by side to you as our customer, supporting problem solving and necessary corrections. You can check in the spindle in our spindle hotel, where we keep the spindle safe and tested for immediate availability. We understand the requirements of today's industry for quality, cost, and time. Therefore, we offer a spindle contract and extended warranty, making sure that you have a fast and perfect working spindle. Customers trust our service standard, quality, and reliability on each repair. We use only original spare parts. Spindles are repaired in an excellent quality. Our repair strategy guarantees deliveries between 2 and maximum 10 days, including repair, recovery, and delivery. Our documentation and transparency about each step on scope of rework is shared with the customer. Thus, we are able to improve the spindle quality, making them more durable with the guarantee of up 24 months.